Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best EDH Deck Box is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked accessories for any Commander player, serving as the ultimate guardian for your prized 100-card singleton masterpiece, ensuring its safety from spills, bends, and the general chaos of game night, all while making a statement about your personal style and dedication to the format. Number 5. Ultimate Guard Boulder 100+ Classic Deck Case. This deck case is meticulously crafted for outstanding durability and structural rigidity. Constructed from high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand gaming rigors, keeping your treasured TCG cards safely stored and well-protected. It features a reliable and secure closure, ensuring your cards are kept tightly sealed within. This innovative system prevents accidental spills and offers peace of mind during transport, whether to tournaments or casual sessions. Its exterior boasts a luxurious soft-touch surface, enhancing tactile appeal and providing a comfortable grip. This premium texture feels great in your hands and adds sophistication to your gaming accessories. Thoughtfully designed with a modular concept, it allows seamless combination with other Ultimate Guard products. Customize your setup by effortlessly stacking and interlocking multiple cases, providing a cohesive and organized solution. Introducing the Ultimate Guard Boulder 100+ Classic, a deck case designed for 100 double-sleeved TCG cards. It offers secure and durable storage for your trading card games, all with a sophisticated soft-touch finish. What we like. This deck case offers outstanding durability and a secure closure to protect your valuable cards. Its luxurious soft-touch surface provides a comfortable grip and a premium feel. If you are looking for robust protection with a sophisticated touch, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. ZLCA MTG Deck Box with Commander Window Display. Introducing the ZLCA MTG Deck Box. Its patented design features a unique display window on the lid, allowing you to proudly exhibit your favorite card or artwork. This clever addition lets you view your collection without even opening it. Crafted from premium PU leather, this deck box offers superior durability. Its robust construction ensures your valuable cards remain safe and secure, minimizing any risk of damage during transport or storage. Don't compromise on capacity. It comfortably holds over 100 double-sleeved cards, 120 single-sleeved, or 230 unsleeved. Plus, its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly convenient to carry wherever your games take you. We've included bonus items for even better organization and protection. You'll receive a 35 points top loader for your commander card and 2 additional dividers. These help you classify and keep your collection neatly arranged. While perfect for TCG commander decks, this versatile box accommodates a wide range of card games. It's suitable for Shadowverse Evolve, PTCG, CCG, EDH, and even sports cards, making it a truly universal storage solution. What we like. Featuring a patented display window, this deck box allows you to showcase your favorite card without opening it. It also comes with bonus items like a top loader and dividers for better organization. If you like to display your prized cards and appreciate extra organizational tools, this one is perfect. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 3. Invested Alliance MTG Deck Box Kit. Introducing the ultimate solution for your valuable trading cards. This premium kit is designed to keep your collection safe and organized, ready for any game. It perfectly accommodates 100 double-sleeved MTG cards, making it ideal for your commander deck. You can also use it for Yu-Gi-Oh! Or any other trading card game. This combo pack comes complete with 125 clear, perfect fit inner sleeves. They measure 64mm by 89mm, ensuring a snug and secure fit for your cards. Also included are 125 deck protector outer sleeves. These feature a matte black back and a clear front, measuring 66mm by 91mm for robust external protection. All the included sleeves are acid-free, non-PVC, and archival grade. This ensures your cards are preserved long-term and suitable for professional play. Get everything you need for superior card protection in one convenient package. This kit provides comprehensive safeguarding for your valuable collection, though cards are sold separately. What we like. This combo pack is an all-in-one solution, including both inner and outer sleeves along with the deck box. It's designed to fit 100 double-sleeved cards, ensuring your deck is ready to go. If you are starting a new deck and need a complete protection kit, this offers incredible value. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points as the source was empty. Number 2. ZLCA MTG Commander Deck Box. This deck box boasts a 2-layer construction, featuring waterproof PU leather on the outside and soft microfiber within. It ensures your valuable collection remains safe and secure from any potential damage. Forget traditional plastic boxes, this upgraded leather design offers ample space. It comfortably holds over 120 single-sleeve cards, 95 double-sleeved, or even 220 sleeveless cards. Equipped with 8 powerful magnets, this case guarantees your cards stay put during transit. Even if it's full and inverted, it remains tightly closed, so you never have to worry about losing them. Its unique double-sided, wide-mouth U-shaped design makes accessing your cards incredibly easy. You can effortlessly remove your entire deck at once, even when the box is completely full. This versatile storage solution is perfect for a wide range of collectible card games. It's compatible with popular titles like Magic the Gathering, Yu-Gi-Oh!, and many other TCGs, CCGs, and LCGs. What we like. This deck box features a strong magnetic closure with 8 powerful magnets, keeping your card secure even when inverted. Its unique U-shaped design allows for incredibly easy access to your entire deck. If you prioritize maximum security during transport and effortless card retrieval, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted regarding the EDH Deck Box. Number 1. Quiver Time 100 Plus Standard TCG Deck Blocks, Set of 5. Introducing the perfect solution for your trading card collection. These versatile deck blocks hold up to 100 double-sleeved cards, 120 single-sleeved, or 140 unsleeved cards. They are designed for maximum efficiency and protection. Keep your deck safe and organized, no matter the game. These blocks fit Magic, the Gathering, Commander, Standard, Modern, and even Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards, providing secure storage for all your various TCG play formats. Experience superior protection with their robust design. Featuring 3 double walls and extra thickness, they shield your valuable cards from bending, dust, and moisture. Your collection stays in mint condition. These compact and sturdy boxes are ideal for TCG players on the move. They fit effortlessly into backpacks and carrying cases, making them an essential accessory for tournaments or casual play. Take your decks anywhere with confidence. Each box comes with 2 dividers, helping you sort and categorize your collection effortlessly. Choose from a vibrant selection of colors to match your personal style. Keeping your cards tidy has never been simpler. Crafted from durable polypropylene, these card holders are built for longevity. Their robust construction ensures your cards are protected for years to come. They are the ultimate choice for serious TCG players. Lightweight, durable, and easy to transport, they are perfect for any adventure. Certified for premium materials and superior reliability, these boxes offer peace of mind wherever your games take you. Trust them to protect your prized collection. What we like. This set provides 5 individual deck boxes in vibrant colors, perfect for organizing multiple decks. Each box offers ultra protection with double walls and includes 2 dividers for enhanced organization. If you manage several decks and need a cost-effective, highly protective solution for each, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.